Who is widely recognized as the father of computers? A. James Gosling. B. Charles Babbage. C. Dennis Ritchie. D. Bjarne Stroustrup. The correct answer is Charles Babbage. What is the full form of RAM? A. Random access memory. B. Read access memory. C. Readily available memory. D. Random available memory. The correct answer is random access memory. Which device is used to input data into a computer? A. Printer. B. Monitor. C. Keyboard. D. Speaker. The correct answer is keyboard. Which of the following is an example of system software? A. Microsoft Excel. B. Windows 10. C. Google Chrome. D. Adobe Reader. The correct answer is Windows 10. What does the shortcut Ctrl+C do? A. Cuts the selected text. B. Copies the selected text. C. Pastes the copied text. D. Saves the document. The correct answer is copies the selected text. Which of the following is not a programming language? A. Python. B. HTML. C. Java. D. Microsoft Word. The correct answer is Microsoft Word. Which part of the computer is responsible for executing instructions? A. Hard disk. B. RAM. C. CPU. D. Motherboard. The correct answer is CPU. Which storage device has the largest capacity? A. DVD. B. USB flash drive. C. SSD. D. Hard disk drive. The correct answer is hard disk drive. What does GUI stand for? A. Graphical User Interface. B. General User Interface. C. Guided User Interface. D. Graphical User Interaction. The correct answer is Graphical User Interface. Which of the following is a volatile memory? A. SSD. B. Hard disk. C. RAM. D. ROM. The correct answer is RAM. What is the main function of an operating system? A. Perform calculations. B. Manage hardware and software resources. C. Browse the internet. D. Create documents. The correct answer is manage hardware and software resources. What does URL stand for? A. Uniform Resource Locator. B. Uniform Resource Link. C. Universal Resource Locator. D. Universal Resource Link. The correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. What is the purpose of a firewall in a computer network? A. To speed up the internet. B. To protect against unauthorized access. C. To manage network traffic. D. To boost Wi-Fi signal. The correct answer is to protect against unauthorized access. What type of software is used to surf the web? A. Operating system. B. Web browser. C. Database. D. Text editor. correct answer is web browser. What does HTTP stand for? A. Hypertext Transmission Protocol. B. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. C. Hypertransfer Text Protocol. D. Hypertransmission Transfer Protocol. The correct answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is the smallest unit of data in a computer? A. Byte. B. Bit. C. Nibble. D. Kilobyte. The correct answer is bit. Which of the following is an example of an input device? A. Printer. B. Monitor. C. Mouse. D. Speaker. The correct answer is mouse. What is the purpose of the ALU in a computer? A. To manage memory. B. To perform arithmetic and logic operations. C. To control input and output. D. To manage storage. The correct answer is to perform arithmetic and logic operations. Which file format is used for images? A. .docx. B. .xlsx. C. .jpg. D. .pptx. The correct answer is .jpg. Which key is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor? A. Enter. B. Backspace. C. Delete. D. Shift. The correct answer is backspace. Which of the following is a search engine? A. Firefox. B. Bing. C. Outlook. D. Skype. The correct answer is Bing.